Hey guys, and today this is what is it? Part 14, 14, yeah, 14, 14, 14, and today we'll just be like testing. This will be part. This will be part. This is just only going to be about 3 minutes because all we're doing is just testing out everything. We're testing like everything out. So yeah, we're going to test the operator. So when we just get to 25 kills, it might take a while. Oh no, without dying. So yeah, we almost forgot about the tank. Ah. Yeah. Um, Also, we're gonna be adding a feature. So, first, sorry, sorry. What? No, no, no. This is a show. Wait, show, you, show. Should be right here. Right now. Don't know why. Right now. Where is the compass? Compass. Here. So, and here. Almost down. And seven, no. I just see if you press 7 on your computer, you can't make this on mobile, I'm so sorry. But if you press 7, it won't work. Hurry, press 1. It's too easy. Get in. Let's go into the shop. 25. This. Um, that's my one. Good. Wait, double fill doesn't work. Where is the double bullet? Get this. That's off. That. Set. Push up. And do it this time. Double. Double bullet. Check. Yes. Then this double bullet equals. Oh, what the heck? Yes. I know. Double bullet. Yes. We kind of need this game. Okay. Under references Fortnite. We're gonna actually update the zombies. No, we're just, I said, we're gonna test things out. We're just doing fixtures. And there might be sound waves instead. So draw a black alphabet. They're not actually gonna work, they're just gonna look like they have headphones. But they're gonna be a multi. Skibbity, skibbity, skibbity. It's gonna have like literal like four lasers. No joke. Yeah, four lasers. Skibbity, 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 skibbity. Skibbity, 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 skibbity. Skibbity, 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 skibbity. Stupid that. Don't worry while I'm saying skibbity. Let's just test this. Eat, eat. And caught. It might. And we're gonna change that to 1 to 3 because we're making another costume to fit this. And it's gonna be like a whole bar. Like skibbity, 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 skibbity. Yeah, it's even gonna have that in hand. And even buzzsaws. This thing might look a bit crazy, but set to 2.5. Skibbity, 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 skibbity. Skibbity, 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 skibbity. And then it's gonna be another one, so it's gonna have more for them. And that's the laser. What's the laser? Skibbity, 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 skibbity. Skibbity, skibbity, skibbity. Look. Skibbity, 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 skibbity. This one's gonna be cool. And there's also gonna be kind of on the top. Wait, acid. We're gonna remove these two as well. You know how I said it's gonna be 3 minutes? The recording is actually 9 minutes and 50. Now it's 10 minutes. It's pretty much 10 minutes now. I mean, 1 minute. Yeah, coffee. Okay. And Doom 5. Super. I'm also going to have a difficulty level. And that's pretty much the end of this episode. Yeah, no, this zombies are horrific. Oh yeah, you know what? We'll just go update. Because this one is basically the same. If you remember this, now it's just really. In these, we're gonna have a bus source as well. So, but they're gonna be way, gonna be like tiny bus source. This is gonna have me. And that's the end of this episode. Don't worry, it's 12 minutes and 32 seconds. Now 40 seconds? Yeah, but I accidentally paused our recording, so you might have might pause. So this is the outro. You can listen to the outro music. 1 second.